Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Complete home renovation. How it is to live in a complete crazy home renovation. Woo! What's up, everybody? I must be crazy. I must be nuts. I must be loony. And you must be too. Woo! What's up, everybody? It's the Minnesota Beast on building it for you, building it for me, trying to get it built. Lumber prices overnight. It is, what is it today? It is Monday morning on April 26th of 2021. Alright? Yes, I'm a little batty. That's right, batty. Lumber prices went up again another 11%. All right, let's just make it easy. It went up 10% overnight. All right, 10% overnight. Yesterday, you could have bought a 2x4, even though those are expensive still. You could have bought a 2x4 in my local area, Minnesota, all right, at Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's, for around $8.30. This morning now, if you want to buy a 2x4, what's a 2x4? That's a 2x4, all right? That one little 2x4 for 8 foot. Today you can buy it for $9.10. 80 cents overnight. All right, do the math. That's about 10%, give or take. 10%, yeah, 82 cents. Whatever, close enough. 10%, my friends, 10% overnight. Now you might think, you know, that's not that much. If you are not in the trades, all right? If you are not in the trades, you might not know how much lumber usually costs, all right? It doesn't cost that much. A 2x4 last year was around $3 in my area. $3. Now you pay $6 and change for that same 2x4. All right? So tell your friends that are wanting to build their decks, build their fences, build flower beds, anything. All right? And you're like, I only need like 5 2x4s or 5 2x6s or blah, 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 blah. I'll pay that. I'm not worried about it. Think about your other friends that need that wood so they can have a bathroom. All right? Maybe bathe. Fix their leaky roof. They might need some OSB sheeting for their roof or their siding. All right? You see these? This OSB? This is OSB sheathing. Sheeting. Plywood. Whatever you want to call it. There's about 10 sheets here, right? I purchased this last year. Plus I have a whole pile of it in my garage. Thank goodness. This 10 sheets right here. Just this 10 sheets alone last year cost me under. That's right. Under $100. Not on sale. At regular price. Under $100. Around $8 a sheet. Give or take $8 to $10 a sheet. Let's just do easy math. $10 a sheet for 10 sheets at $100. This time last year. Now this time this year, how much does these 10 sheets cost you in my area? $380. 100 last year. This year, $380. All right. I had just my last order of 2x4s right down there. My last order, I purchased 80 of them. That's not 80, that's about 50 right now. Because I've been working on my basement. Now, those 80 2x4s, a couple weeks ago, I'm not going to do the math, but if I was to order another 80 more, you're talking about another 70 bucks. 70 bucks. Like this video, dislike it, watch my other videos, please. That's probably a lot better. If you are wanting to do a lot of home improvements on your house, your home, your outside, your shed, if it comes to anything that's wood, anything wood related, take a second to think about it. That's what we've had to do. Take a second to think about it. And if you are going to purchase some wood, purchase it now. Or wait it out, because by the time the winter is over with, winter, that's right, I'm talking about this coming up winter, is over with, lumber prices will start to go back down. And this time next year, we'll be talking about lumber and going, wow, thank goodness. Hopefully, we'll be talking next year at this time, thank goodness, lumber's normal again, or at least somewhat affordable. And it don't matter how much money you have, because the more money you have, the bigger your projects are probably going to be. That means you're going to pay that much more, all right, compared to maybe this guy. Just take your time, think about it, pass it on to your friends, your family. Let them know that lumber right now is not affordable, all right? It's not affordable. My tongue and groove plywood right here. All right, my tongue and groove, I have 3 sheets right there. 2 months ago, I bought those sheets at, I think it was around $34 a sheet, which is still, nowadays, expensive, all right? Today, if I want to buy, let's say 3 more, they're $55 a sheet. Do the math. That's how fast lumber's going up, all right? This is my 3rd video on lumber rises, and friends, it's just the end of April. July, mark my word, July, I'm not nuts. July, you want to get a 2x4? Right there? A 2x4? It's going to cost you. It's going to cost you. If they're raising 10% weekly, do the math. Have yourselves a great day. Sorry about this great video. Like it, dislike it, subscribe to this channel. And hopefully we can have some great home improvement videos coming. I'm working on my bathroom right now. This is going to be my family entertainment room, and I have those videos on there. I'm going to be doing a lot of landscaping, a lot of digging this summer, staining a fence, building a 400-foot privacy fence, 400 feet of privacy fence. Now you're probably like, oh, you're going to buy that lumber. No, I already purchased that lumber 2 years ago. It's in my garage and waiting for me. Whoo, thank goodness, because that, or it would cost me $50,000 to get that lumber today. Because that lumber that's in my garage, no crap, was just under 10 grand. $10,000 for that fence. Could you imagine if I had to buy that material today? Crazy. And I ain't rich. I'm a broke son of a bitch. I said I'm a broke son of a bitch. Have yourselves a great day.